अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं डू यू रन या हैव यू ईटन या विल यू स्टडी, क्या आप इनमें से हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं? बिल्कुल सही। डू, हैव and will are the helping verbs. And if we remember correctly, helping verbs help or support the main verb in different ways. The primary helping verbs are be, do, and have. Be, do, and have are used in various forms with regards to the tense of the question. You can see these forms on the screen. Let's see how these are used in simple questions. Are you wearing a new dress on Eid? Were you driving back home? Which helping verbs are, and were a form of? सही बताया। They are forms of be. और आपके ख्याल में ये कौन सा टेंस है? We use be and its forms when we want to make a question in the present continuous or past continuous tense. क्या आप इन questions में present और past continuous identify कर सकते हैं? सही बूझा। are हाल यानी present की बात कर रहा है और were past की। तो हम बता सकते हैं कि are present continuous है और were past continuous। अब क्या आप do और उसकी forms से कोई questions सोच सकते हैं? I can think of a few. Do you like to swim? Did the child eat peacefully? What tenses are these questions in? Perfect. Simple present and simple past. So, we use do and its forms when we make a question in the simple present or simple past tense. And as these are simple questions, their response can be simple like yes or yes I do. What about have? Have से क्या सवाल बना सकते हैं? I thought of have you seen my car? And has your dog been feeling sick the whole day? And can you identify the tenses? Sahi. Present perfect, and present perfect continuous. To use forms of have in questions. The present perfect tense is used to talk about things that started in the past but are still true and relevant now. Example, have you seen my car? Perfect tense's continuous tense talks about something that started in the past, but you want to emphasize that it's still actively happening now. Example, has your dog been feeling sick the whole day? Now that we are aware of how to form and respond to simple questions starting from be, do, and have, I would like you to try and form some questions on your own. उम्मीद है इस वीडियो से आपको सिंपल क्वेश्चंस समझ आए होंगे। शुक्रिया।